Hey, good morning everybody. Just wake up and I have to tell you this is a special day and it's gonna be a nice surprise for Misha. She doesn't know yet, but let me tell you a little story. 22 of July, 8 years ago, we got married, but I never proposed her, so today is gonna be the day. And also is Atti's birthday, so say hello to Atti's. Happy birthday, Atti. So time for coffee before Misha is coming from the bathroom because she doesn't know about this one. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Atti. So today is Atti's birthday. That means he's gonna pay for everything. We're gonna jump on the bikes today and we're gonna ride to Cinque Terre National Park, and we'll visit these beautiful places around here because that's why we are here. Every day is an adventure, don't forget that, guys. So let's go and ride some bikes. Atti, what you doing?
Hey.
It's never too late. So 8 years after,
wedding ring, engagement ring.
wedding ring, engagement ring, everything after 8 years. So